Hi children, we have learned colors, didn't you? Yes, we have learned colors. Now a short exercise to remember. Identify. I'll show you a picture and you identify what is the color of that. Okay, item. Now, I hope you'll enjoy this exercise. Good. Let's look at our first picture. What do you see here? Look, what is this? Flower. Very good. This is a flower. And what is the color of the flower here? It's orange color. Very good. So this is the flower. What is the color? Orange. What is inside this color? Right in the middle. Black. Very good. So you are able to identify the item and say what color it is. Very good. This flower is orange color. Good. Let's look at another picture. See what you have. Look at this. What is this? This is apple. This is an apple. And what is the color of the apple? Red. What is the color of the leaf? Green. This is called identifying. Good. Very good. So apple. This apple is red. You are learning to spell the word. You are learning to spell the color too. Looking at apple. Red. Reading. You're not only doing identifying, but you're also reading. Apple is red. Good. Let's look at another picture. Yes? See what you have. What is this? Balloon. How does the balloon look round like this? You blow air into it. Then what happens? The balloon looks nice and full. So this is a balloon. So you learn the spelling of balloon. Yes, you learn to read the word balloon. One side you will say balloon. What is the color of the balloon? Blue. Very good. So you learn to write the word blue and look at the color. Look at the spelling. Blue. Balloon is blue. We've blown air into it to make it big. Good. Did you enjoy it? Let's look at another picture. Yes. Look, we are learning to read. Look, what is this? Your toy car. Spell car, you know. One look at the word, you know, car. Very good. So this is a car. What is the color of the car? Pink. Very good. So this is a car. And you learn to spell the car. Pink. What color? Pink. So this car is pink in color. Pink. Car. Pink. So you learn to identify color. Now look at this color. What is the color of the light? Yellow. Very good. What is inside here? What color? Blue. Very good. So looking at something, any item, identifying correct color. This car is pink. Good. Let's take another picture. Look. Look at this. Who is this? Dog. Yeah. A little dog. You learn to write the word dog. What color is the dog? It's brown in color. Yes. This doggy is brown. Spell dog. Dog. Brown. You learn the spelling of brown. You learn the spelling of dog. Dog. Brown. Good. So what about this part of the dog? White. Good. Very good. What about his nose? Black. Good. Very good. Let's take another picture. Look at the picture. Identify the color. Where do you see this? In your garden, everywhere. Leaf. Very good. You learn to spell the word leaf. And the color? Green. Very good. Leaf. What's the color of the leaf? Green. Leaf. Green. Good. Let's go on to a new picture. Yes? Look at that. Have you seen this? What is this? A lovely, beautiful flower. The flower. Look at this flower. What's the color of the flower? Violet. This flower is violet color. What about the leaf? The leaf is green. Green, violet. What color flower? Violet color. This flower is violet color. Nice, deep violet. Good. Let's take another picture and identify the color. Shall we? Look. Coin. Ask mommy to show you coin. What's the color of the coin? Silver. Yes. The coin. What is the color? The coin color is silver. The rupee 2. Rupees 2 coin. This coin is value of rupees 2 and it is silver color. Silver. Good. Let's get on to another picture. Look, you eat this every day? Banana. Yes, what is this? Banana. What's the color of the banana? Lovely. Yellow. Yellow. The bananas are yellow in color. Look, you learn to spell the banana. Look at the banana, you learn to spell it. Color, yellow. See, you're learning to read. One look and say, banana, yellow. Very good. We are learning to read. We are learning to identify the color of different items. Good. Let's go on to a new picture. Look what you have here. You use this when you go out in the sun. What is it? Cap. Little cap. Or when you go to play, you put a cap on your. And what is the color here? Black. Very good. The same black color is your hair too. Very good. So this is a cap. You know to spell cap? Yes. And what is the color? Black. Good. So we learn to identify the color black. The cap is black in color. Yes? Where do you wear the cap? On your head. Good. Let's get on to a new picture. Look what you have. Do you have one like this in your house? What is it called? Lock. What do you use the lock for? To lock the door, to lock the gate, lock your cupboard. This is called a lock. Look at the spelling. Lock. What color is this lock? Gold. Very good. What color? Gold color. Mama will say, get that gold color lock and lock the front gate. Mama says, yes, lock is golden color. Good. Let's look at another picture. See what you have? Little mousey. Look. Where do you see the mouse? At the attic, in the garden. Troubles mommy a lot, isn't it? Goes about squeaking. So this is the mouse. What's the color of the mouse? The mouse is grey color. Very good. This is grey color. Mouse is grey color. They always look dirty grey color. Yes? Good. So when you look at an animal, you should be able to say, look, that's a mouse. That's grey color. Yes? Good. Let's look at another picture. You have this in the bedroom, yes? It's a lampshade. What's the color of the lampshade? This lamp is white color. Good. What color this is? White. Only when it is white, there will be nice brightness. Yes? The lampshade is white in color. Did you enjoy the exercise, children? Identifying colors in different items? Good.